Hi, in this part we're going to install IDE. So you are free to use any IDE that you're comfortable with. In my case, I'll be using PyCharm. And to get PyCharm, we just Google PyCharm. And the first is we click on the first result. Then we hit the big download button, download now. And PyCharm come in two flavors. We have the professional and community. Professional is not free, but you get like 1 month trial. And we have the community version, which is completely free to use. So to download, we just hit the big download button. And this will begin the download. I'll pause this because I've already downloaded it. Actually, I will stop, cancel, and after the download, the installation is quite straightforward. So all we have to do is drag PyCharm to application, copy, and give it a minute to copy. So let's open PyCharm. It will prompt you that PyCharm is an application. Are you sure you want to click on open? I set statistics, you can send. And now I want to open this project using PyCharm. So I'll click on open, desktop, we choose project, open, and I'll close this. The nice thing I like about PyCharm is that it automatically picks the virtual environment. Down here, terminal, you can see the virtual environment is activated, and if I do pip freeze to check the packages that are already installed, I see that Telegram bot is already installed. This will really help us in this project. And in the next part, we'll start having some fun. So see you in the next tutorial.
Please like, share and subscribe Brilliant Crash. Don't forget to hit bell icon to not miss our videos.